Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com, and you know what I decided we're going to do? We're going to show you what it takes from being totally not prepared to do a MotoAmerica Supersport round to getting all of our shit together, right? Bike prep, trailer maintenance. I got to repack the bearings on the trailer. Got to get all the canopy stuff out. We got a long way to go in a very short time to get there, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to do a little video series documenting the mayhem that is going to be my life between now and next Wednesday morning when Max and I leave for MotoAmerica in Wisconsin. What do I have to do? Well, we've not raced yet this year, so these bikes are not 100% race ready. This one is the one he's going to ride. We need to do a little bit of cleanup to it. I just installed a set of triple clamps on it a couple of weeks ago before we went to Roebling with Precision Track Days. Front end is pretty good. Take a quick look at it. I need to pull the swing arm off, re-grease the swing arm pivots. We're going to change the oil. I got to put water in it because that's what MotoAmerica requires is coolant. I got to pull the engine ice out of it. We're going to put a new clutch on it. I got to check the clutch hub on this one. I think the hub's got a little bit of wear. We're going to put a set of brake lines on it and some other general maintenance. Make sure we've got the gearing and the spring rates and everything ready to rock and roll for MotoAmerica. We've got to put some grip paint. Let me grab this paint. I bought it from Amazon. I hate Amazon, but I shop there sometimes. So what we're going to do is we're going to prep his wheels to prevent the tires from spinning on the rim. You put a light coat of this grip paint on the surface where the bead of the tire contacts the wheel, and it helps prevent it from rotating under heavy acceleration or heavy braking. Why is this a thing, you ask? Well, when you are late braker, you're braking hard, that front tire has sometimes an opportunity to rotate a little bit on the rim, and when it does that, it induces vibration, which can in turn induce some chatter. That's something Max absolutely hates. So I got to get these wheels all prepped up so we can try and avoid that. That's one of the many things on my checklist. So this short video here is going to be video number one of what is ultimately going to be an extremely chaotic, monster-fueled short series of all the shit I had to go through the next couple of days.